Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with IPC. Okay, under section 392, 392, 399 of IPC. Okay, under topic robbery and dacoity. Okay, robbery is an aggravated form of either theft or extortion. Robbery is dacoity when committed by 5 or more persons. Okay, understand? Okay, what is the definition of robbery? Here, robbery means in all robbery there is either theft or extortion. Explain under section 390. Theft is robbery if in order to committing of the theft or in committing the theft or in carrying away. On leading case Mubarak, okay, 1867 case, or attempting to carry away property obtained by the theft, the offender for that end. Okay, and voluntarily causes or attempt to cause to any person death or hurt or wrongful restraint or fear of instant death or instant hurt or instant wrongful restraint. Okay, that is robbery, theft, based on the theft. And extortion is robbery if the offender at the time of committing the extortion is in the presence of the person put in fear and commits the extortion by putting that person in fear of instant death or of instant hurt or instant wrongful restraint to that person or to some other person, and by so putting in fear induces the person so put in fear then that to deliver up the thing extorted. Okay, now let's see. A holds Z down, okay, and fraudulently takes Z money and jewels from Z clothes without Z consent. Here A has committed theft, and in order to the committing of the theft was voluntarily caused wrongful restraint to Z. So A has therefore committed robbery. In short, we can say that robbery minus theft, robbery equal to theft plus violence, theft plus violence or fear of instance, okay, or robbery equal to extortion plus presence of the offender plus fear of instant violence plus immediate delivery. Okay, this is also very simple, no? That formula you can apply it. And dacoity means when 5 or more persons co-jointly commit or attempt or commit a robbery, or where the whole number of persons co-jointly committing or attempting to commit a robbery and persons present and aiding such commissions or attempt amount to 5 or more, every person so committing, attempting or aiding is said to commit dacoity. This dacoity under section 391 of IPC. Okay, where the accused and his companions who numbered 5, okay, minimum 5 or more than 5 attempted to commit robbery at the house of A, but on hue and cry being raised took to their heels without committing robbery. The offense of dacoity was contemplate the movement they took their heels without any booty. There was attempt to commit robbery, and the accused would be guilty of an offense of dacoity and would be punishable under this section. Okay, so a leading case Sham Bighari versus state of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and also Lakshman versus state of Orissa. The court was explained this meaning of this dacoity. Okay, What is the penalties of this above definitions? Here, punishment for robbery: whoever commits robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment, okay, for a term which may extend to 10 years, and shall also liable to fine. And if the robbery be committed on highway road between sunset and sunrise, the imprisonment may extend to 14 years, okay, under section 392 of IPC. Punishment also given, okay. Okay, student, an attempt to commit robbery. What is the meaning of attempt to commit robbery? Under section 393 explain, whoever attempts to commit robbery shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years and shall be liable to fine. Okay. Okay, students, and definition for dacoity because in this chapter, robbery and dacoity. What is the definition of dacoity? We already discussed in the same video class. Here, when 5 or more persons co-jointly commit or attempt to commit a robbery, or where the whole number of persons co-jointly committing or attempting to commit a robbery, and persons present and aiding such commission or attempt amount to 5 or more. Every person so committing, attempting or aiding is said commit is called dacoity. What is the punishment of dacoity? Here the act explain, whoever commits dacoity shall be punished with transportation for life or with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also liable to fine under section 395 of IPC. Okay, students, this robbery and dacoity is over. Okay, we'll meet next online classes, discuss with new portions. Okay, bye, see you.